Hello everyone, we are here for a new unboxing of this Benro tripod. Just bought from flipkart.com and it's got a nice deal for just $699. So here it is. Nothing inside the box. We get a nice carrying case as well. Carrying case is Benro branded and quite nice. Here's the instruction manual, sort of if you're a newcomer. Warranty card. Benro placed. Removable toggle, and this is how you mount it. And this is for unplugging or stretching it out. It's got a 485 mm folded height and a max of a 1450 mm height. It's a three-way block. The model number is T-660EX. Thank you.